Good afternoon. It's October 14th, Wednesday, today, and I wanted to take the time to do a little bit of follow-up on the young boy in the early toddler room who had his first day just a couple of weeks ago. He is an Italian-speaking native and has an English-speaking father but barely understands English. I believe both of his parents speak Italian to him pretty much only at home. So anyways, his first day was last week. I went ahead and explained the whole story about that in a previous video, and he has come from that point to now coming to class, and he's not crying the whole time. He's not as terrified as he was. There are little things that you can kind of tell here and there that he's still a little uncomfortable with, but his father has made an effort to come in on his lunch break and join little, we'll call him Jay for the sake of our video, join little Jay for his lunch. So he's making a lot of progress, as am I. I've went ahead and rented some books from the library on how to speak Italian, and I've been trying to learn how to specifically communicate with him using questions like, you know, are you hungry, are you, which is affamato, do you need this, do you need that, or I would like you to, which is vorrei, and then whatever follows, to, you know, sit in a chair sedia, changing your pants, cambia los pantalones, you know, things like that that are helping kind of walk him through the process of every day. Also, there is an Italian native who is Italian speaking, and she's in there for probably about half the day total. She comes in and out quite a bit. So between all of us, we've made a really huge effort to help this child become more comfortable, and he's growing, and it's so encouraging. One of kind of the breakthrough stories of my experience here. So I will continue to keep you updated on his progress, and we will continue to move forward.